Hey guys, there's something for you, and it's a true or false device. Now, if you don't know what a true or false device is, something that TrazLander created on one of his Genius Map Making series episodes, and he asked us for making a smaller and faster design. Now, it was a long time ago, and I made one, but it wasn't very good. But recently, I'm making a minigame, and I came up with this design. Now this design is only 3x3x3, and the best part, it's only one tick between each check. So for instance, if you have 1,000 of this, it will take 1,001 tick for giving a true or giving a false, because it's only 2 ticks to give a true or a false. Now I made two designs. This one that is 2 ticks for a true or false, and this one that is 2 ticks for a true and 3 ticks for a false. But in this design you can take the output from the side, where in this one you have to take from below. Now I'll show you how to make these two designs, so let's go. Sorry about this chat. Now first you're gonna go with a block and a command block where you're gonna have your your checking. Then make this pattern as long as you want. I'll only make 4, so don't mind on that. Now here you put 2 redstone dust, then your input, and then a comparator on subtract mode. It's important that you put on subtract modes, or else it can give not good outputs. Now then put blocks right here, and on the side of the block and the comparator put redstone dust, and on the side of the repeater, not on the first though, on the side of the command block put repeaters on 1 tick. Now on this first command block put redstone torch, then on top of the comparators put blocks. You don't need to put on the last one though. And on the top of the command blocks put redstone dust, then repeaters right here. Now on the sides put a redstone torch, then a repeater, and put blocks on the sides until here. Then here on the side of the block put redstone dust. Then on the side of comparators put a block, and here puts repeaters. Now redstone torches, and there you go. The false output will come from the torch, and the true output will come from down here. So it's a little tricky to take the output, but if you don't want that, you can go on the next design. Now one thing that you may notice is that if you have a signal strength of 2, it will create a clock and it will bug out. But if you don't want that, so if your commands output a signal strength of 2 or more, put a repeater right here, move this torch to there, and you can use it just fine. Now here you're gonna put your command, so I'll just test it. Oops, sorry. And there you go. You can see that these two are false. so these two torches turned on, and these are not, so it didn't. Now let's go to the next design. So put a command block right here, comparator, then a block, and make the same thing. So and comparators on subtract mode again. Now you can put your input here, and then a redstone dust on top of the command block, and a repeater on top of the normal block. Now here you're gonna put a redstone torch, just on the first one though, then you can fill it up with blocks, then put this right here, one redstone dust, then a repeater right here, another repeater right here, going to a block, and then the same thing, redstone dust, and cut it off, repeater, block, and so on. Then redstone torches on top to take the false output. And you can see again only these two turn on, and if I make this false, these three will turn off. And to take the output, for the true, you can take blocks right here and put redstone dust or repeaters. And there we go. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.